Now we're going to explore the features and commands on the Create tab. So let's click the Create tab right now. On this tab, you'll see 4 groups: tables, forms, reports, and other. These are all listed according to the database object. You can create a new table, which will be a blank table. You can use one of 5 existing table templates to create new tables. Next to table templates is SharePoint lists. You can create new lists on Windows SharePoint Services version 3 sites. I'm going to click the arrow to collapse the list again. Next to the SharePoint list button is the table design button, and here you can create a new table in design view, and we'll discuss that in the tables lesson. Next to the tables group is the forms group, and on here, similar to the tables, you can create new forms. We have a quick create form command here, a split form, multiple items. You can create a pivot chart form. A blank form will give you a blank design grid to start from scratch. The More Forms button has an arrow that you can click to display 4 options: Form Wizard, Datasheet, Modal Dialog, and Pivot Table. I'm going to click that off. And next to the More Forms is Form Design. This creates a new form object, but in design view, so that you can start creating a new form. Next to the Forms group is Reports group. Similar commands. You can open up a brand new quick create report based on this first button. Labels. You can use the label wizard to help you create custom labels for mailing addresses. The blank report button will create a new blank report and open it in the new layout view in Access 2007. If you need help designing a report, the report wizard is a great tool to help you get a jump start on creating reports. It'll walk you through the process of creating a new report. We'll show you this in the reports lesson. Next to the report wizard is the report design button, and here you can create a new report, and this opens it in design view as opposed to the layout view that the blank report button did. Next to the reports is the other group, and I like to think of this as the leftovers, all the remaining database objects. The query wizard will help you create a new query by using a wizard dialog box that will walk you through the process of creating your query. Query design will open a new query in design view, and you can design from scratch. This macro button is a split button. The top of the button will vary depending upon the last object you created. The bottom button has 3 options: macro, module, and class module. I just mentioned that the top of the button will change based on what you select. If I create a new module, for instance, the next time I come to this button, the module icon will display in the upper part of this window.